Shopify Translate and Adapt App tutorial. Ready to take your Shopify store global without the high cost of third-party apps? In this year, Shopify's own Translate and Adapt app is the smartest way to localize. And today I'm showing you the step-by-step workflow to auto-translate your store, adapt your messaging for a specific region, and manage it all from one dashboard. So let's open your doors to the world. Okay, and firstly, let's get the app. In your Shopify admin, you go to Settings and then Languages. And Shopify will usually prompt you to install Translate and Adapt automatically. As you can see, it's already here in the list. You can also do this from the App Store. And once installed, it lives in your Apps section. So in the 2026 UI, you can also access it directly from any product page by clicking More Actions and then Localize. And now for the magic. Open the app and select the language you want to translate. So for example, Shopify offers free automatic translation for up to 2 languages using Google's neural machine translation. And for up to 2 languages using simply click the Auto Translate button at the top right. And it will translate your entire store, like products, collections, and themes in minutes. Keep in mind there's a 100 million character limit per year, which is plenty for most stores, but worth watching if you have a massive catalog. And also, machine translation isn't always perfect. The app features a side-by-side editor. So on the left where you see your original text, and on the right the translated version, you can manually tweak descriptions, SEO titles, and even meta fields. So this year you can even translate URL handles. This is crucial for international SEO. And also the adapting for specific markets. So this is the adapt part of the app. So let's say you sell in the US and the UK. Both speak English, but you might want to change sweater to jumper for your UK market. In the app, select your market and navigate to the products. You can override the text only for that specific region. This ensures your brand voice feels local, even if the language is technically the same. And that is how you localize like a pro this year. If this tutorial helped you break into the new markets today, hit subscribe and like the video.